excited to see me. Meg! Please come in. Say, Marmy, come see. Come here. Marmy, come here. It's Meg.
Meg! So good to see you. Am I your mother?
Yes.
Oh, Meg, it's so good to see you. What have you brought?
I brought some presents for Christmas.
Awesome. We're poor now.
That's
since it's
right.
the Civil War.
Hey! Sorry.
So,
That wasn't part of it. Dad, don't take that part. Okay. Ouch.
this is a great show.
It's quality.
Say, put it by the Christmas tree.
Say, put it by the Christmas
Yeah.
Put it by the Christmas tree, Meg.
Where is the Christmas tree?
Did you take John's presents and you're giving them out to everybody else?
He told him to take those presents.
Oh, okay.
I did.
What's going on down here, Beth?
Beth. Nice. Now I'm Joe. Fell over, that's all.
What's happening? Am I still here?
Yeah.
Joe's coming for Christmas now.
Pretend like you don't need to do it.
Okay, I'm going to a different room now.
Pretend like now I'm Joe and you're Meg. Meg!
Say hello, Joe.
Hi. Hi. Ouch.
When do we get to the wedding? Is the wedding coming?
Is it time to open the presents now? Yes. Okay. I have a present for Beth first. Hey, me. Actually, I have a present for Marmy first. Two presents, actually. This is for you, Marmy.
Oh,
It's a
thank
dress.
you. It is a dress. It's lovely.
The next one is for Joe. Pretend like you Joe now. Here, now you're supposed to say, my picture book, my book, they published it. My book, they polished it. They published it. Yes, they did.
They polished it.
Why don't you go show Marmy?
So shiny now. Oh, your book. The Royal Family.
They published
Yeah,
it.
picture book by Miss Josephine March. You
That's
actually wrote
me.
that on the book that you
Now
did.
the next one. Next is for. Where's Caroline? Caroline is for
Who knows
Amy.
what she's doing. Book they actually published it.
Why don't you have Mommy be Amy?
Apparently I have one role. They have five.
Marm? Marm is your role?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Mommy.
Marm for short.
It's
Here
Marmy.
comes your other sister,
Oh no.
the little crazy one.
Amy. This is for you, Amy.
It's time for the show. You're in the show. Say thank you. You got cream for the show for Christmas. Good job, Amy.
And last but not least for Beth, a piano.
What about Dad, who's off fighting the Civil War?
He doesn't get a gift.
He doesn't give a squat.
This is for
He's got
Dad.
hearts. That's all he gets. He
This
gets
is
a letter
for
once
Dad
every
when
3
he
months.
gets home.
Oh,
Dad gets the basket when you
Excellent.
Well, you'll have to ask Elizabeth. She's in
Some
charge.
more to story, shrapnel.
What?
What
Yes.
does this one do now?
Thank you.
That basket will come in handy when I come home with one arm.
Thank you. You get to keep the credit. What? I just curtsy.
This is impressive. She's in character.
Apparently, Amy's been eating a lot of pizza on her bottom.
Common Civil War problem.
Okay. That was scene 1. I hope you enjoyed it.
And by that you mean Act 1, so there's just an Act 2, right? Okay.
All right, go.
Hit pause.
Okay, I will pause.
How many?